Welcome, and I am so excited to see you inside this course. And before you could start with the workouts, I thought it would be nice to talk a little bit about how to approach these workouts. Because I have commonly seen that students are initially very excited, but when the problems become a little tough, they tend to quit very easily. And I want you to succeed, I don't want you to give up midway. So let's see how you should approach these workouts. The first thing that I want you to understand that this course is exactly opposite of my earlier course Modern Python 101. In this course, I am first going to throw a problem at you and I expect you to solve it, and I have intentionally made the problem a little bit challenging for you. I expect you to go online and search for the solutions. Maybe you can go to the official Python documentation, or you can search on Stack Overflow, or just Google for the solutions. The basic point is I want you to think a bit, I want you to read a bit before you can solve the problem. And remember, for these workouts, it is your job to solve the problem, and it's my job to make it as difficult as possible. Solving the program is just a small thing. What really matters is, can you persist throughout the course? And if you can persist, then you will surely come out as a winner and you would know much more Python than you started with the course. While you are trying to solve all of the workouts, I have a little bit more advice for you. I would not advise you to spend more than 45 to 60 minutes on one problem. If you are able to get it partially right, then it could make some more sense for you to spend a little bit more time on the problem. But if you're spending much more time on that, then I would advise you to check out the video or the solution for it and then try to write the solution on your own. Also, I want you to remember that my solutions are not the only solutions. There are multiple ways in which you can approach and solve the problem. And as long as you are able to get the right outcome, everything is fine. The next thing before starting with the workouts is I would like you to go to GitHub and download all of the files. You can go to this link github.com/octallium slash modern python 101 workouts, and you can download all of the code from here. Well, that was my small piece of advice, and let's get started with the workouts.